It's what?
Hang on, Sebastian, what are we doing today?
Doing a video.
What kind of video are we doing?
Surprise video and a car video and a train video.
Oh, really?
And Paw Patrol video.
Oh, and Paw Patrol videos. Why don't you show people your playroom first? What do you have in your playroom?
Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol. Whoa. Introduce us to all your Paw Patrol, please.
Okay, this is Edward. This is Zimmer. This is Marshall. This is Bubble. This is Bubble. Rocky and Rocky and Rocky and Chase and Marshall.
Oh, you have too many Paw
and
Patrols.
The biggest I got.
Whoa.
And the Mole Control. And the Squishy I got. And Sky. Marshall, and Ryder. And Bonio. No, that's not Marshall. And Jimmer. And Rocky, and Sky.
Whoa, you have so many Paw Patrols. And what about down here? What are these Paw Patrols that you have? These look pretty exciting.
This is the biggest one.
Whoa, is this the ultimate fire truck?
And this is the C one.
The C one.
And this is the tall one I got.
Oh, wow. Now remember, kids, if you see any surprise eggs, don't forget to write in the comments.
No, it's fine. Some mysteries and Paw Patrols.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, who's going to help us find them?
Mr. Helicopter.
Mr. Helicopter. Who's in the helicopter?
No, it's nice Mr. Helicopter.
Ah, okay, Mr. Helicopter. Go on.
Mr. Police Helicopter. I don't want anything else. Yes, one in here.
Oh, how did you find something so quickly? All right, you're going to open it?
Yeah. Now,
what is it first, buddy?
I don't know.
What is it though? Is it?
I don't know.
It's a Hot Wheels mystery model.
It's Hot Wheels mystery model. I think it's the one on the picture. It's orange. Comes with a sticker. That's instructions. Now,
Hang on. Let's have a look at it all, please.
Okay. Book. There's a book and a car and sticker.
Oh, and what's this book? Does that show all the different cars you can get?
Yeah.
Open it up and have a look. Which one did you get?
I got. Yeah, the mystery. I got this one.
You got one of the mystery ones.
I got that mystery one.
Whoa!
These are
You
not
got
the-
number one.
Yeah. I
Wow.
got number one.
Fast felon.
Now it's got
And a sticker.
there. They have put rubbish there. And I was like, he can see it.
What's that one?
Squishy.
A squishy. What kind of squishy is it?
I don't know.
It's a Paw Patrol squishy. I think it's actually called a Mash'em.
Yeah, my shot. Okay, put the rubbish there. It's rubble. It's Chase. It's Chase. It's Chase. 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 It's
Chase.
also our Chase.
What colour is Chase?
Blue.
Blue. What's Chase? What kind of car does he drive?
A police cruiser.
A police cruiser. Is he also on your top? Let me have a look at your top.
Yeah.
Oh, is that Chase?
Yeah.
Now let's see if he's the same. Oh, he's exactly the same. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
But they're not the right ones because this one's a Papu one.
Oh, Papu one. Okay, where are we going?
Yeah, in the farm, in the farm, in the farm, in the farm, in the farm.
Where was it? Show me. Show me. Show me. Where was it?
Yeah, in the farm.
In the farm. Whereabouts in the farm?
Right here.
Oh, you could see it through the window. Could you? Let's see. Oh, yeah, you could see it through the window.
Now let's go back to my helicopter. Who's in this one? Who's in this one? Let's see. Let's wonder who it is. Wonder.
It's super exciting, isn't it?
It's Rubble!
Rubble!
open up our rubble.
Whoa, let's have a look at Rubble. And what kind of car does Rubble drive?
A digger.
A digger.
Let's find more.
What colour is Rubble's car?
Yellow. And let's find more.
Hang on, why don't you show me one of Rubble's cars up here?
This is Rubble's car, and this is Rubble's car. This is Rubble's Sea Patrol car.
Oh, that's pretty cool, isn't it?
And this is Rubble's land car.
Oh, okay. Alright, what are we finding?
This is another squishy Rubble right here, an old one.
Oh, an old one.
Let's find more.
Where are they? Who built this train track?
Me?
Alright, let's have a look, shall
No,
we?
I didn't build this one. I built the little one that's packed up.
Let's see if the train can find it.
That doesn't work, so I made my one. This one, TARDIS doesn't work, so we made my one. They made my one, so mine works. Look, see? And shaky bridge. Are you want to get some shake train? Shaky, shaky, shake. Shake. Wow. Now stop it right there and find some more.
Maybe have a look in all the buildings and the tunnels. Not in here. You already found one in the farm. Not in the fire station.
We can see Bigfoot.
Oh, you can see a foot. What about in the tunnel?
Yes. There is. Let's go to the helicopter. Stop. Squishy. A helicopter. Oh yes, squishy. Let's open it. Let's see which one I get. It's Rubble again.
Rubble again. You'll have to give that one to Tyler.
Yeah.
You have to share them when you have two of the same.
Now, let's find more.
Maybe in your tower.
Yes, here.
Oh, what's that one?
Thomas.
Thomas? What is it? A Thomas Mini?
Yeah. Need to get him here. Okay.
These ones are hard to open, aren't they?
Yep. It's the star one. The night one.
Oh, I wonder if it glows in the dark.
Yes, I wonder. I put it there. Actually, where's the car? Oh, here. I'm going to put it now. Where's some more?
Is there one more to find?
No. There isn't one more to find.
I think there is one more squishy. Let's go.
Is it one more squishy?
Here. Up here. Not with the dinosaurs in there. Not in the dinosaurs. What about in the rainbow? What about in the rainbow?
Yes. That's the last one. That isn't the last one, actually.
It is the last one.
Why?
That's the last one.
I don't know.
Because that's all I hid. Which one do you hope it is?
I wonder.
Quick.
It's Marshall.
Is Marshall your favourite one?
Yeah.
Hi, Marshall.
Hello.
What are you doing today, Marshall?
I just don't fires.
Oh, you're going to put out some fires. All right, let's go. Hang on, I've got your helicopter. Now, look at all this rubbish. I think we need a garbage truck to pick all this up. What do you think?
Oh, I need a garbage truck here. This is bigger. That's bigger than So we made all of this rubbish, so that's why I got my big one.
Oh, okay, good idea.
Open it up.
Oh, yep.
But not the sticker.
No, not the sticker.
Get the book. Bible. Bye. Bye.
Yep. And we'll keep all the surprise eggs because we'll keep them for Tyler.
Say?
We'll keep all the eggs because we'll put stuff in them for Tyler.
But not these ones. Not now.
Not right now. But we'll recycle all this rubbish.
Bye, rubbish. Maybe some spills that you can put in here.
Oh, good idea.
Let's go.
All right, where are we going?
To Washington.
Okay, let's go.
Where should we dump it?
Oh, where's the dump chip? Maybe in the middle of here.
Open up. And going to put that dump. Then dump.
Good idea. Now I think we need someone like Rubble to pick it all up. Or where's your excavator?
I know. Where's a good? No, that has to do a bucket. So we made my backhoe. My backhoe's right here. I'll show you noises. Oh, here you go. It's not working on lights. Lights are not working though, but noises are.
Maybe it needs new batteries.
Yeah. But that's okay, you can still use it.
All right, scoop it up into the dump truck, and then we'll take it to the rubbish bin.
Oh, I know where the dump truck is. Right here. I call this dump truck Ernie.
Why?
Because I don't know, we have some rubbish. Yeah, right, goody. Put it there. Backward. Lift it up. All in the bucket, dump it out, and that's it. No,
All right, now let's park it at the top of the stairs so we can put it in the bin when we go downstairs.
but not now.
No, not now.
Not going downstairs now. We're just playing with my tools here.
Yeah, show us all your new toys. Alright. So we've got
Marshall and Hot Wheels and nighttime train, Rubble and Chase.
Do you have fun opening up all your new toys?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did the helicopter have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Hope you have a good day.
Hope you have a good day. Oh, I forgot to show you my big toys. These are my big toys.
Oh.
And there's more right here. Right here, there's more here.
Yeah, so you better come back and see all his toys.
And more here. See right here?
Sebastian's playroom. Is that right?
Yes.
Yep.
You can't get sheets at that trucks. And well, one thing is time you get say my Mack truck.
Your Mack truck from Cars.
Yes.
Yep. And all his Paw Patrol. So many Paw Patrol. I don't think you like Paw Patrol, do you?
Yes.
Oh, you do like Paw Patrol.
Right here is a fire truck. There's a fire truck right here.
Ride a fire truck. You got lots of things. So you have to come back and visit your channel so you can have adventures together.
Okay, bye.